is our submission, my lords, my lady, that the premise upon which IBC proceeds is wrong, and that the reason for this moving target is so as to manipulate the question voter turnout, to come to a conclusion that the ninth respondent met the constitutional threshold when they didn't. I wish to submit, Your Ladyship, my lords, that Article 138 is very clear, and the total number of registered voters must be specified, and that is the denominator. The IBC did publish a gazette notice that confirms the exact number of registered voters and gives it as 22,120,458. In this court, using what they say is the turnout per the Kim's kit, the figure they are seeking to use is 22,005,541. We wish to submit, Your Ladyship, my lords, that that premise is problematic. The common denominator to be used is the voter turnout as published in the Gazette, not the voter turnout as per the Kim's kit, which ends up with a moving target. We wish to submit, Your Ladyship, my lords, that not only is it true that the target is moving, if you look at all the permutations, and this is in the supplementary affidavit of Dr. Edgar Otumba, if you take any of the scenarios and you use any of them, and we will submit, we have submitted this for ease of reference, because Dr. Otumba covers is between paragraph 5 and paragraph 30, and puts all those graphs. By whichever permutation, none of the candidates then achieves 50% plus one. Whether you use, remove rejected votes, you add rejected votes, whatever permutation, and